So, how does it feel to essentially have to be rescued by complete strangers because you decide to get yourself stuck up on top of a waterfall? Yep. As you may or may not have heard, we're not even able to get into the falls at this point. Anything to comment on that?
It was the prettiest one.
From a very far distance, so that kind of sucked.
We'll try again when the bylaw officers aren't there.
No, we're not. Just in case a bylaw officer is actually looking at this. Let's just go and figure it out. So we're now going to attempt to find Sherman Falls. Apparently it's down a road, down another road, and then up a path. So it's going to be interesting to figure this one out.
Head south on RT Road.
We're apparently heading south. So, GoPro batteries just died. Which is never a good thing. I could have swore I had them charged. Anyway, which way, I think we found the trail. First thing we see is trail closed. So, yeah. We're going to enter in any which way. This is apparently Sherman Falls, and you can actually hear it right from the road. And I think you could see it in the distance there. Sherman Falls. So, right now, after climbing the waterfall, someone's gotten trapped. Now I need to go and get her from all the way up there. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome. Let's see if I can figure out how to get her without my knee giving out. Yep. This is kind of steep, but interesting. So, after almost getting stuck myself, now it's a matter of how is this going to work? Oh boy. Oh yeah. So, how does it feel to essentially have to be rescued by complete strangers because you decide to get yourself stuck up on top of a waterfall? Yep, now she's trying to cool down. Decided to come from up there. Yep. I recorded bits and pieces. So something that we've noticed at this point, mosquitoes come out at around 7:45, almost 8 o'clock. And now we gotta get the hell out. We're getting bit like crazy. Do yourself a favor, bring hiking shoes though.
Or water shoes.
Or water shoes. Or something you don't mind getting wet. Having a decent set of Nikes that I don't want to ruin, probably not the best idea. Since we're about to have a cardiac arrest, we're going to stop taping now.